Dell is back with a B stand this time. It's bigger, smarter, and more powerful than ever. The Dell Pro Max 18 is shaping up to be one of the most advanced professional laptops of the year. From next-level performance to stunning visuals, today we're breaking down everything you need to know. So let's dive straight into it. Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're talking about the Dell Pro Max 18, a laptop designed for creators, gamers, designers, editors, and high-end professionals who want maximum power in a portable machine. The Dell Pro Max 18 comes with a sleek aerospace-grade aluminum chassis, ultra-thin bezels, a new precision cooling system 3.0, improved hinge design for better airflow, a massive 18-inch display, yet the weight is still balanced for portability. This laptop feels like a premium workstation built for real professionals. The highlight is its 18-inch ultra-sharp display featuring 4K plus resolution, 165 Hz refresh rate, HDR6.0 support, 100% DCI-P3 color accuracy, anti-glare panel, brightness up to 1000 nits, perfect for photo, video editors, designers, and gamers who want brilliant color accuracy. Inside the Dell Pro Max 18, we're expecting latest Intel Core Ultra processors, NVIDIA RTX 50 series GPU or equivalent, up to 64GB LPDDR5X RAM, up to 4TB NVMe SSD. This machine is built for 4K, 8K video editing, Blender 3D modeling, high-end productivity, AI gaming at ultra settings, AI workflow processing. Dell has added a dual vapor chamber cooling setup with larger vents, improved fan curves, and intelligent temperature control. This keeps the laptop cooler even during heavy rendering or long gaming sessions. Expect a 99 watt-hours battery with fast charging support, up to 13 hours of productivity use, optimized power mode for creators. For an 18-inch powerhouse, the battery surprisingly performs well. Full-size backlit keyboard, larger precision trackpad, optional mechanical low-profile keys, customizable RGB for gaming users. The Pro Max 18 packs 4-speaker Dolby Atmos setup, AI noise-canceling microphones, a 1080p or 1440p webcam, face recognition security, perfect for Zoom, remote work, and streaming. Dell gives all the important ports: Thunderbolt 4, USB-C, USB-A, HDMI 2.1, SD card reader, Wi-Fi 7 and BLUETTH 5.4, 3.5mm audio jack. The laptop also includes Dell AI Optimizer, adaptive performance modes, creator-focused tools, advanced Dell Command Suite for professionals. The Dell Pro Max 18 is ideal for YouTubers, filmmakers, 3D artists, architects, gamers, business professionals, students who need power, programmers, and AI developers. Compared to other laptops like MacBook Pro 16, Strix 18, MSI Titan, the Dell Pro Max 18 offers bigger display, better port selection, more upgrade options, higher refresh rate, superior cooling, more customization, perfect balance between performance plus portability.